Hello, it's me, and I am actually doing a different video today. I am doing an Animal Crossing video, as you can tell. I'm going to give you a tour of my Animal Crossing house. Okay, so first I have this thing, and I don't know where to put it, but it's here, so yeah. Over here is my garden and my plants, which I don't even use, and that's Gary or something. Okay, and we're going inside now. This is my living room. It doesn't really have much, but it has a couch, so yay. I'm just gonna, yay. Okay, next is the kitchen. I like the kitchen. You can comment what you think about the kitchen if you want. You don't have to, but let's just go. Okay, so here's the kitchen. It's not much, but I like it. This is the table with the knives. I like knives. Okay, wait, I've never tried to use the fridge before. Can you even use the fridge? But yeah, that's my thing. Can you use the fridge? Should I change? What the is this? What the? Okay, on to the upstairs / guest bedroom. Don't ask why I have so many posters. Okay. But yeah, I have a guest bedroom for no reason now because I have no friends. I guess maybe if somebody comes over to my house, maybe this could be their room. Because I have my room that's left around the set. But yeah, that's mostly the upstairs. The map. This map is right over my room, which is the best room, obviously. And it is very good, and you're allowed to take any ideas because it's the best room. Let's just, oh wait. Oh my god, I'm still in camera mode. This is embarrassing. And let's go into my room. Okay, here's my room. I know that it's very pink, but I like this stuff. Okay, and yeah, I have a TV in here. I could just sit down on my froggy chair. This is so hard. Okay, let's sit down on my froggy chair and watch the show. What kind of show is this? Okay, I'm going to change the radio because I don't like the song. Just kidding, I like the song. But I like Bubblegum KK better.